Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperocoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. Matplotlib is a cross-platform data visualization library. It's used to visualize data and the results of all sorts of computations. Matplotlib is mainly used for static 2D and 3D graphs. Its capabilities are huge, of which we're only going to cover the basics in this series. We'll use quite a lot of different types of plots, like line plots, bar plots, color map plots, contour plots, or 3D surface plots. Matplotlib supports a variety of output formats. You're also in full control of the appearance of the graphs and the elements that should be visible on the graph, like annotations, scales, legends, and so on. Matplotlib is used to make publication-ready figures. If you want to learn more about the library, in particular read the current documentation, you should visit the matplotlib.org website. There, you can also find lots of interesting examples and tutorials. In this series, we'll be using the Jupyter Notebook environment. If you want to follow along, make sure you have Matplotlib and the environment installed. You already have it if you have the Anaconda distribution of Python. Now, let's open Jupyter Notebook. You can open Jupyter Notebook from the Anaconda prompt terminal. So let's open the terminal by typing just Jupyter Notebook. Enter. Now this opens Jupyter Notebook. You will see it in your browser at localhost 8888. In this series, we want each part to have its own notebook. So let's create a folder where we will store them all. To do that, click on New and select Folder. New Folder. Now let's rename the folder Matplotlib YouTube, so that we know that this is for this YouTube series. So first we have to select the folder we just created. It's here, untitled folder. Check it. And then hit Rename. Let's type the new name. Matplotlib YouTube. Rename. And now you can see the renamed folder over here. We are ready to start coding. In the next part of this series, we'll write some simple code using Matplotlib just to see what modules we need and how the code is organized. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.